Okay.
Come here. Ready?
This is at Grundy Lake. Swim, Gypsy!
She's walking now.
She's... Gypsy. Mommy, throw it. Throw the stick. Come here. Let me throw the stick. Oh, you chewer. You're gonna chew it? Come here. Oh yeah, you're breaking it. Here, Gypsy. Here, Gypsy. Bring it.
Bring it, Gypsy. Come here. Come here. Come on, Gypsy.
Bring it.
Place to launch it in here, too.
Yeah.
I ain't giving it to her.
Gypsy, bring it. Where are you going?
That'd be crazy. Come here, Gypsy. Bring it to Daddy. Come here. Come here, Gypsy. Come here. Bring it. Gypsy.
She prefers to chew it than to run after it, her.
Okay, that's what you want. Go swimming with it.
Come on, Gypsy. What you looking at?
Okay, so what's the plane?
Oh, jeez, I almost had it, and I landed on rocks. Come here. Gypsy, show me. Oh, come here. Oh, it's getting too deep.
It's like she's taunting you.
Yeah, she is, I know. She gets just close enough.
Unless you dive in.
There we go. Gypsy, drop it. Good girl. Ready? Go get it.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hi, baby.
Good girl. Hey.
I don't want to run anymore.
Gypsy, bring it. It's a stick, girl. It's just a stick. What are you doing? You get it, girl. I think she just likes taking the bark off of them or something.
Yeah. Good girl.
Good girl.
You can't shake when you're in the water still. You destroyed this one.
Just throw it. Good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah. She had a big day. Lots of hiking today. Hey, Gypsy. Lots of hiking. Pretty girl.